What's up YouTube and the very cool gang? My name is Nick. Welcome to the channel. Today I was thinking to myself, doesn't everybody love a good list? I know I do. Top 10s, top 5s, even top 3s. I watch them all. So today I'm bringing you a list. This is the top 4 12-volt combo kits on the market today that are readily available. You could buy right now. It's coming right up. Stay tuned. Now I know what you're already probably thinking to yourself, a top 4? Who does a top 4? Well, I like nice round numbers, okay? I don't like prime numbers, I don't like uneven numbers. So I'm doing 4. And coming in at number 4 is the Bosch 12-volt combo kit. This is the standard combo kit. This is not the hammer drill combo kit, so stop screaming at me. I know this is not a hammer drill, but this is the combo kit that you can find at Lowe's. It's readily available. It's $129. Comes with a 1-year warranty. We've tested these Bosch 12-volt tools. They handle themselves very well in TTR. What, you don't know what a TTR is? I've been telling you for weeks and weeks, you got to check out TTR. TTR is where we put 2 different brand tools up against each other in a head-to-head battle. You can check it out over here. You need to go check it out because we've tested so many tools, I've lost count at this point. 18 volts, 12 volts, even 36 volts. We've tested them all. We found out which tools last the longest, are going to give you the most performance. You got to go check out TTR. But these Bosch are nice. They got a nice form factor. They feel good in the hand. They're pretty lightweight. And a lot of people will say, what's the point of 12 volts? Can't you just get 18 volts? Well, here's the point. Sometimes you don't need all that 18 volt power. Sometimes you don't need all that 18 volt size. It gets in the way, it's clunky. I know for me, talking to a lot of HVAC guys, they love 12 volt tools because they're just the right amount of power and the perfect size to get into those tight to reach spaces, to tighten fasteners, loosen fasteners, whatever you need to do. Now I will say this, they do offer this combo kit with a hammer drill. You're gonna pay $60 extra for that combo kit. It's $189. But the big distinguishing factor and why this is down on the list at number 4 is not just the power. It lacks in power. This kit comes with 2 12-volt, 2-amp-hour batteries, comes with a nice charger, but the distinguishing factor and why this came at the last bottom position on the list is the warranty. Bosch only offers a 1-year limited warranty on these tools, and I would appreciate a longer warranty, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years. Some of these tools on this list offer 5 years. Some of these tools offer 3 years. I'd appreciate a longer warranty from Bosch. Number 3 on the list, the Makita 12-volt combo kit. These are brushed tools. Why are they brushed tools? Why didn't you put the brushless kit? Because these are readily available at the Home Depot. They're going to cost you $10 more than the Bosch. They're coming with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. They're good tools. We've tested these tools as well. They hold up very well. They get the job done. They have plenty of power, nice amount of speed, nice amount of impacts per minute, nice amount of beats per minute, nice amount of torque. Awesome job. Good charger, 12-volt charger. These tools are nice. They're $139. The great thing about these tools is they're coming with a 3-year limited warranty. I like the longer warranty. Makes me feel more secure, makes me feel good inside, lets me know that I can go to work every day with these tools and I don't have to worry about them breaking down and my warranty running out. The great thing about these Makitas is they're ergonomically built for the human hand. They're not going to fit in the other hands. They might fit in your hands. They fit in my hands great. I really like these tools. They hold up well. They've done well in TTRs and they're relatively a reasonable price. Now before I move on to number 1 and number 2, I'm going to lay some ground rules. Everybody needs ground rules. We got to level the playing field. There's a couple different factors. There was price was number 1, warranty length was number 2, charging capability was actually factored in there, size of batteries, and hammer and non-hammer functions. Those were the distinguishing factors. Those are the ground rules, so don't freak out, don't scream at your screen, oh, I would have a much better list. Well, make your list, okay? Well, I don't see your list. Show me your list. Leave it down in the comment section below. 1 through 5, 1 through 4, make your top 10 list. Make your top 3 list. I want to see it in the comment section so I can ridicule your list. Coming in at the number 2 spot, all the Dewalt fans are going to hate me because I'm the Dewalt guy. I'm the Dewalt shill on the channel, but this I could not stand. Actually, these are really nice tools, so I could stand them. But they didn't have all the factors of number 1, so they're number 2. Okay, don't tear my head off in the comment section below. Please leave your hateful comment. I love reading them. Please do it. But these tools are really nice. DeWalt 12 volt Extreme, they're brand new to the market. They're at Lowe's right now for $149, coming with two 2 amp hour batteries. The great thing about it is the old DeWalt 12 volt batteries, they didn't used to have a battery indicator light. These actually come with a battery indicator light. Woo, I know how much charge is left in my battery. It's going to help you out. The form factor is nice. I will say this, these are my favorite, like feel to the hand, like to the touch. They just feel nice. They feel nice in your hand. They feel real nice, okay? You're going to get a good grip. You're going to get a grip on things with these DeWalt tools. They do have pretty much shocking power for the price. They'll pretty much surprise you with how much torque this drill driver has and how many impacts and force this thing hits with, this impact driver. It's going to surprise you. With just a 2 amp hour battery, it's pretty surprising. Now, I do know they just came out with some 3 amp hour batteries. We're excited to get our hands on those and test these, but these are really nice tools for a really good price. The great thing about DeWalt is they offer a 3-year limited warranty, so you're not going to have to worry about, after a year, am I done? Are my tools done? Like Bosch, I can't fix my tools. They're not going to fix them. You don't have to worry about that with DeWalt. We got you covered. Oh, Yella's got you covered. All right. The number one thing that I want to touch on with this is the charger. The charger is really cool because the charger doesn't only do 12 volts. It does 20 volts as well. None of the other chargers in this list have that capability. Well, maybe one, but we're going to get there. This thing will not only charge the 12 volt batteries, but you can charge your 12 volt battery. Let's say you're in the DeWalt 20 volt line or you're waiting to get in the DeWalt 20 volt line. You can find a deal, get a free DeWalt 20 volt battery, you're ready to charge it. Boom, you already got the charging capabilities. It came with your DeWalt 12 volt combo kit. Pretty awesome. You get your 12 volts done, you pop your 20 volts on, you're right back to work with whatever voltage you want to volt with. Before we get to number one, I do want to have an honorable mention. What's a list without an honorable mention, you might ask? It's not a list. That's a fact. It's not a list if it doesn't have an honorable mention. So the honorable mention for us is the Makita Power Max 12 volt combo kit. These tools, man, I got to tell you, once you put these in your hand, you're going to be like, wow, this feels like a well-built tool. It's coming with two 4 amp hour 12 volt batteries, the biggest batteries in this entire list. And the charger does the same thing that DeWalt does. It does multiple voltages. It does 12, 18, and 36 volts. Man, this charger is getting things done. It's multitasking while you're working. These Makita tools are really nice, pretty powerful, feel good in the hand. They're nice. This is a hammer drill. This is a great impact driver. They're nice. The only thing, the reason they're honorable mention, the price on these Makita is $300. Before we get to number one, let me know if you guessed number one already in the comment section below. What do you think number one on this list is going to be? If you guessed Milwaukee M12 Combo Kit, you would be correct. There's a couple reasons this is number one on my list, and I'm going to get to them right now. These are the most powerful, pretty compact, but I will say this, most powerful, without a doubt, 12 volt tools on the market today. The combo kit comes with a hammer drill driver, which is a 1/2 inch chuck. Most of them are 3/8. This has the biggest chuck. Okay, I will say that. It's a good thing. The impact driver comes with 3 speeds, and it comes with plenty of power, plenty of impacts per minute. It's really nice. These tools are really powerful. The combo kit's going to come with a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery. I will say this, you're going to pay a little more of a premium price for the Milwaukee, but you're definitely going to make it up with power and speed and precision. It's going to be $229 regularly priced. They do have sales on this combo kit, so be on the lookout for sales. Actually, if you hit the subscribe button, you tap the bell, just tap it. Just tap it in. You can get notified. For our tool deal videos, we give you the latest and greatest tool deals. In fact, we have a tool deal on this combo kit right now. $179, an international tool. There'll be a link in the description below, but you better have hit that notification button and you better have hit subscribe or else you don't get the deal. How are you going to take the deal and not hit subscribe? How are you going to take what we give you for free? You're just sitting there watching, oh, you're right, but and you're not going to do any work. At least hit the like button. Could you do that? You probably won't even do that. You're just going to take what we give you for free, and you're going to be ungrateful, and you're just going to, unbelievable. But I know there will be some people that are appreciating what I'm doing here, and they're going to hit the like button. They're going to do all those things. And I appreciate you, and I thank you for watching, and I thank you for being here. Oh, I almost forgot. The best thing about Milwaukee is a 5-year warranty. 5 years. Ain't no other tools on this list even coming close to touching that warranty, and that's why they're number one. The best of the best in the world ever made. You'll ever see anywhere. So that's it. That's my top 4/5 honorable mention list. I want to see your list. Please leave your list in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought about my list. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Were you not in favor of it? Was something off? Was I missing anything? I try to do as much research as I can. Are you going to fault me for that? Find it in the kindness of your heart to let me know in the comment section below. I want to say I appreciate you for sticking around this long. And if you have, I got a treat for you. The treat is the best M12 tool is the Milwaukee M12 Surge. It's quiet, it's compact, it's got plenty of power. Oh yeah, here's another special treat. The whole time I've had a bunch of candy canes in my back pocket. We got to get rid of these. They're kind of stale. They're from last year because Christmas is coming and we're going to get more candy canes and I'm going to eat them all and Vince is going to have none.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.